Hi again viewers, we'll be looking at how to choose your mint stems, how to choose your mint stems or pudina stems, whatever you call it. I'm calling it mint stems. So let's see, I have few leftovers from the kitchen that we used yesterday, and we'll see how we can choose our mint stem, the best mint stems to grow. So here are our mint stems viewers. You can see I've just saved them from yesterday, then throwing them into the waste. So you can choose your mint stems which are like this. So if your mint stem is having nodules that can grow and roots that are appearing, you can see roots. Yeah, so if there is a root nodule like this, you can use the mint stem to plant. So that means your mint plant will do really well. So we'll be choosing how many stems we can get from this whole bunch of stems that we have here. So it has root nodules but not roots, but still the roots will appear, so we'll choose this. We have three now. Not this, this, not this. So you should really be examining which stem you're going to get a lot of mint growing, so that way you will get a lot of mint. Otherwise, most of the times mint is really easy to grow if your soil is good, if your soil is rich, uh, and you take good care. And especially when you're in your terrace garden, don't forget not to water them. One day not watering will end up drying all your mint plants, because they are really tender, juicy, and they can't withstand the heat of the terrace garden, especially in the summer season. So keep that in mind, and choose your mint stems well. So we have collected around some 10 to 15 stems. These are going to do really well. We'll update you on how they're going to do. Don't worry. Any doubts, any questions about planting mint, you can really ask me. I don't have think I have enough knowledge to answer all your questions about mint plant. I've been growing mint for a very long time, since I was a kid, so that means I have enough knowledge and almost all the knowledge. Mint does not really get a lot of insects or pests around them. They're really fresh as long as you take good care of them. I think we are almost done viewers. I've selected all the best stems I can find of all the mint stems that we have here. Yeah, we are done. So let's look at how many stems we have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 we have 25 stems here, and hope they all do well. We'll keep you updated. Bye. Soak your mint stems in a container of water before you plant them. I'll let them like this for 2 to 3 hours, so they have enough energy to root once they are planted. Here are our mint stems. They are soaked really good now. They are wet, so you can see water is dripping off them. We'll be planting our mint stems now. It's the right time to plant them. It's around 4:35 now in the evening. It's cool, so planting them now will be a good thing. We are using two pots here. These are two small containers that can be used for the mint to start off. So once the mint is doing good in these pots, we'll be transferring them to bigger pots so they can grow much better, bushier, and produce more mint. So let's see how we are going to do it. So you have an empty pot. The holes are already covered, so I don't need to use more stones here. So there is good soil, you can see the soil is good. It's I use a homemade organic compost. So add yeah. So your pot is full. Now let's place the mint stems one by one, each at a time. You can just push the stems because the soil is loose, and it will be good. It will not damage the stem in any way. I'll give you a closer view. Just push it slowly, gently inside and leave it. So that way we'll be doing all of them. You can put anywhere around 10 to 15 in this pot. So once they are all good and sprouted and full green, we can plant them in another pot. So look, the pot is full. So again we repeat the same things. Push your stem inside. Make sure there are no any stones, so your stem can easily move through the soil. Okay friends, so now we are done. Both the plants are potted, you can see. So once we are done, the first rule always, as I am telling you, you have to water them immediately. So we have done planting, just adding some soil on top, give them a good shake. Yep. So now they are done. Let's water our plants. We are done watering our mint plants now. In the next few days, we'll see how our mint is doing, and I'll keep you updated. Till then, stay tuned and wait for more good videos.